Hello, Dr. Christine Durfee here with Neurotherapy Systems, as well as our new nonprofit organization, Neuroability Networks. I have a little autism tidbit for you today, and that is about autism and tying shoes. As many of you probably already know, that tying shoes is a bear for some people that are diagnosed with being on the autism spectrum. And so I had a young lady that came into my office the other day, and she had a new OT coming to her school who did not read the file about not tying shoes, not working on tying shoes. And so when the OT was expecting her to do that, she had a meltdown. And I'm trying to help her learn how to cope and manage things differently without having to have a meltdown, but also having a voice. And so I told her, I said, I'm going to teach you a new word. This word is something that I want you to repeat after me, and I want you to use this word in the future. And that word is exempt. And I had her repeat it to me. And so I told her, I said, you are exempt from tying your shoes, and partially because it is not necessary. There's all kinds of devices out there for kids who struggle with tying shoes. And there's a lot of shoes out there that don't even have shoelaces. And so there's some things that are not necessary. And so she is learning the word exempt. And then I was thinking to myself, well, why not have her pause before having a meltdown with other issues and wonder if she is exempt or not. And so we talked about her, if she, instead of having a meltdown, instead of getting frustrated, and to ask, am I exempt from this? And for her to be able to ask her mom or dad or her therapist, am I exempt from this? And that gives her time to go ask the question, a time for the parents or the therapist to explain why, yes, she would be exempt from that, or no, that this is actually something that is necessary to work on, and why. Because a lot of people on the spectrum will be much more accommodating and willing to work hard at something once they buy into why it's necessary. So, fun word for you, exempt. So use it, and hopefully it's going to be a wonderful coping tool.